This video will show you how to freeze and unfreeze panes to lock rows and columns in Excel. Select a cell to the right of the column you want to freeze. You can press Ctrl key as you click a cell to select more than one, or you can freeze each column individually. Click View. Click Freeze Panes. Click Freeze Panes. This will freeze the panes in the columns next to what you have selected. The frozen columns will remain visible when you scroll through the worksheet. Unfreezing panes. Go to View. Click Freeze Panes. Click Unfreeze Panes. This will unfreeze all the cells that you have frozen on the screen. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.